Let me stop playing here. Hello, people. Another beautiful day or night. Yep. Hope your 5 senses work. Health insurance is good or excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? We got, the Steam Deck tribe, nation, universe, world, legion. What's good? Mob, what's happening? Squad, what's up? And you Steam Deck nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators. You guys are spoiled. Deals, games, and update. The usual stuff. Alright. What I got for you guys? Since we talking about the Steam Deck here. Alright. I'm on our Steam powered website right now. And here's the full list for Steam OS 3.5.5. Alright. Says here Steam OS 3.5.5 has been released to the stable channel for deck with the following changes. Says here display. The default colors rendering for Steam Deck LCD has been adjusted to emulate. I was going to say illuminate. Says here the sRGB color gamut result in a slightly warmer and more vibrant color appearance. Says here add settings, adjust display color to tune the display color vibrancy and color temperature. The settings can be tuned with a preview of a test image or with your running game. The native color appearance, the color rendering for Steam Deck prior to this update, sRGB, emulates the sRGB primaries in a smooth manner that does not introduce gradient clipping. Says here, boosted, emulate a wider gamut display appearance, resulting in increased apparent vibrance may result in gradient clipping. Now, HDR can now be enabled in display setting if supported by the external display. Added HDR analysis to advanced display settings. VRR can now be enabled in display settings if supported by USB-C adapter. Says here, rework quick access scaling setting to separate scaling from filtering. Add stretch and zoom scaling as new options to handle different aspect ratio. Alright. Fix a long-standing issue where internal display backlight would always stay on. Fix a touchscreen orientation while external display is connected. Compositing is now avoided in additional scenarios, reducing latency and stutter in situations with multiple overlay on screen. And then it says improve latency in certain situations where application renders slower than the display's refresh rate. Alright, now, general. Added support for Steam Deck OLED. That's out now. Fix an issue where certain workload would exhibit severe CPU performance issue unless SMT was manually disabled. Alright. External storage devices are now auto-mounted when connected to Steam Deck. To format or manage storage device, use the new device management interface in setting storage. Alright. So if that's the case, alright, let me get this. If that's the case, alright, this is my Steam Deck. 64 gig model. Has a SD card in it. You can see it. Alright? That's one. So Valve, you're saying that, okay, this is my docking station. It has a micro SD card port and a regular SD card port, but with a SD card adapter now, I can have two micro SD cards, say 1 terabyte each. Here, right? So and then I have this SD card reader. This is a USB, and I can put two micro SD card here, so it would look something like this. It would look something like this. And then there's my Steam Deck, so I would have five 1 terabyte SD cards on my Steam Deck. So is that what Valve is saying, that External storage device are now mounted auto mount when connected to the Steam Deck. So you're saying that I can put 5 SD cards. I got a 2 terabyte. Let's say I got a 2 terabyte SSD in the Steam Deck, a 1 terabyte SD card, and I got 4 1 terabyte SD cards sitting on the dock. All that can be mounted. Okay, Valve, we shall see. All right, just saying. Just giving you a little illustration. But anyway, let's keep going here. All right. Update graphics driver with many performance and functionality improvement. Improve performance for Starfield. Fix view model corruption in Amnesia. The bunker and launch failures for Immortals of Avium and Keiju Agogo. Alright. Improve Bluetooth connection stability, especially with multiple controllers. Alright. Slightly improves sleep resume. Implement switching between controller binding and mouse and keyboard desktop binding by long pressing option in the Linux hide Steam driver to match Steam default desktop configuration. Alright. Says improve fade transitions between application. Okay. The content of performance overlay can now be customized by creating a what's that? /.config/mangohud/preset.configuration files. Anyway, says here, fix a bug where some games could appear stretch if their window size didn't match their swap chain size, e.g. Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4. Okay. Then it says fix this Gaia PC needing to be tapped on before input works. And anything else? Keep going here. It says here fix physical dimension report to games. Fix some issues with an incorrect aspect ratio sometimes being detected. Returnal. Says here work around a problem where allow tiering could cause heavy stuttering if the performance overlay or other overlay appears on screen. Tiering is now impossible in such situations, and the performance overlay should be disabled for best result. Okay. It says fix a problem where keyboard input would not be detected in Overwatch 2. Okay. Controller firmware fix an issue where some thumbstick touch sensor would lose touch periodically. Alright. Now, firmware 118, add voltage offset settings. And then it says Steam Deck dock firmware 121, added VRR support, improves reliability when changing display modes via on-screen menus, fix issues with 6 BPC color modes, improving high resolution / refresh mode support. And then it says improved detection of HDMI cable hot plug events. That means like when you have the HDMI cable, where's the dock at? Oh, sometimes when you connect an HDMI cable to these docks, it doesn't you don't get a picture sometimes. All right, we're getting there now. Now for updated Arch Linux base, it says this update pulls in newer performance, security, stability fixes for the underlying package that are the foundation of SteamOS. Most notably, this includes recent changes to KDE Plasma, Steam Deck Desktop Mode. Full notes on these updates can be found on KDE website. Here are a few of the highlights. New window tiling system, updated Discover, then it says App Store / Software Manager with a new homepage and improved search. Then it says Discover can now perform system updates from the desktop and update desktop widgets. And that's all the updates for SteamOS 3.55. Yeah, you Steam Deck fans, you're what's that word I'm looking for? Covered. Deals, games, updates. You guys are good. So with the Steam Deck OLED out now, And the older models, they've all been updated, and things should perform better. But back to this mounting thing now. When you say external storage, you're saying that, okay, if I got 4 1 TB SD cards like this, they all can be detected by the SteamOS operating system, by SteamOS, along with another SD card inside the Steam Deck and a 2 TB SSD. They all can be detected. Yeah, that part I might have to check out and see. So, but yeah, and you know, one more update I think the Steam Deck needs is for Batman Arkham Asylum. That that game needs a big update, big time, and that's between Valve and Nvidia, so they need to take care of it. And of course, if they could get the Xbox 360 controller working on the Steam Deck, that would be nice. But other than that, man, these updates should help the Steam Deck OLED and older models a whole lot, from HDR to VRR. You know, so yeah, you guys are covered. And yeah, the Steam Deck is out today. Valve gave away Half-Life for free. And Steam has a sale right now inside the store, so go get shopping. Other than that, you guys are good. Anything else I find out, I'll let you know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Work Dark Side. Come on. Peace.